A warm welcome back, everybody. We are off on our travels again. We have an extra passenger on board this particular flight today. Just want to say hello, Layla.
Hello.
This is Layla, granddaughter number, I don't know. We've got 8 grandchildren.
And 3, I think.
Granddaughter number 3. Right, so we're off to Old Buckenham Country Park for a stay we've never been to. A mass, wide open space with a cafeteria, a bar, new toilets and shower facilities, street food at weekends apparently.
And there's a lake there you can fish. But we'll show you that when we get there because it's too hot, we need the fan on.
We need the aircon on, folks. Catch you en route. See you later, bye.
Bye.
Crisis number 1, 30 minutes into the journey. Helen's got a cut finger.
3.
3 cut fingers. Explain how that's happened, Helen.
Well, I think you must have left the kettle.
Hang on. Helen's got 3 cut fingers. Would you like to explain how that's happened?
Well, the only thing I can put it down to is
Me.
you left the kettle on the bed.
I haven't put the kettle on
And
the bed.
unfortunately, it's a glass one, which it won't be next time. And it had shattered everywhere on the floor.
So if we rewind, first of all, less than 30 minutes into the journey, Layla, who is coming on for a teenager, decided she needed to go to the toilet.
I didn't decide, it just happened.
So we had to find a toilet. We're in a massive traffic jam on the A11. We were never going to get to a toilet in time before Layla had trouble. So we had to pull over into a lay-by, get the steadies down. This is where towing your caravan's pretty handy. We have a toilet in the back. When Layla and Helen went in the back of the caravan, there's a kettle on the floor, smashed to smithereens, a glass kettle. Now I don't remember putting any kettles anywhere. I thought that was on the box. Bottom line is though, it's happened. Lesson is, when you get a kettle for your caravan, make sure it's not a glass one.
It's not a great day because, you know, you get this feeling I forgot something. Well,
oh, here we go. Yeah,
David has. He's forgotten the airband radio because we're going to an air show this weekend, and also the binoculars. So the 2 really important things
yes,
are still at home.
I've got my lovely airband antenna that's got a mag mount, sits on top of the caravan. Plug the radio in, listen to all the traffic coming in and out. We're there at the air show on Saturday, and then at Sunday we're on the site where we could have listened to the traffic. It would have been good. Welcome back, everybody. Having the most fantastic day at Old Buckenham Air Show. We've seen Spitfires, we've seen a Typhoon just, which was absolutely amazing, and I'm going to put it up on this video now. Check this out.
Hit the brake.
Hey, hello, let's go and gate crash this party that's going on around it. What are you playing?
Newmarket.
Newmarket? What's that? Is that about races?
No.
What's that about then?
Card game.
Betting on the what?
Putting money in the...
You're a bit too young to play cards for money, are you? Gambling at your age?
It's coffee. It's coffee.
I should just explain, because I've got the video going here. We're pitched up over here, and this fella came over to me this morning and went, "Morning, Dave." So I thought, I don't recognise him. So, who are you?
Higgy the Siggy.
Iggy the Siggy, that's who he was. What's your real name then? Or not
Andy.
Your Andy?
Yep.
Hello, Andy.
Hello.
Cool. We'll go around. Andy, what's your name?
Marley.
Marley?
Yeah.
Where have I heard Marley before? Where have I... Christmas movie. Jacob Marley. Jacob Marley, innit? Yeah.
Nicola.
Hello, Nicola.
Hi.
John.
Hiya, John.
Yeah.
Gambler.
Louis.
What's your name? Louis?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice name, isn't it? And, last but by no
And
means,
Faye.
I've seen you on TV before, Faye, I'm sure.
Have you?
I think I recognise your face.
Were you on TV?
I'm making it all up. Yeah, so who subscribes? Anyone subscribe to the channel then?
Yes, I do.
You do?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
watching
well done.
all your videos all the time.
Do you?
Yep.
Oh, brilliant. Thanks.
Because we're quite new as well. We've
Yeah.
learned
It's
so
true,
much.
they
so.
told us about them when we
Oh,
came
really? Alan's convinced we haven't got any subscribers. They're all separate accounts that I've got set up.
Yeah, you've got a few more now. You've got a few more.
Are you going to join in, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. You know, it makes
very
sense.
good.
I'll give you a mention. Look out for the next video, then you'll be in it. All right. Who's winning anyway? Anyone?
Oh, well.
Don't know yet.
These
Yeah,
two.
I'm not.
We're not sure if a few rules have been bent.
Have fun.
Done, guys.
Great tow car over there. Like that VW tow car. Look, Helen.
Is that a Laza Apso you've got there?
No, it's a big VW.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Yeah, I had a look.
Plaza. Hello, look, it's getting ready. He's like a tourist of
Yeah, it's
all.
ready for a game. But how is she? Is she alright?
She's
One-eyed little
her
now.
eyes good at the
That's
moment.
alright, is it? Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, we've had a hot day at the air show, haven't we? Weather's been bonkers. That's why I've got a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer going on here. Ellen got sunburned chest. You got to show your chest?
No.
Come on, just pull your top down.
No.
Don't be shy. Pull
Be
your top
arrested.
down. You'll be arrested. So we're back at the site here at what's it called? Old Buckenham Country Park, and they've really sort of got it going. And there's lots of positive things about this site, isn't there? Because they've got a nice bar. I'll just scan around and show you in a second. Nice bar area, some decking by the water, and street food and stuff like that. It's really good. We have absolutely been inundated with ants and wasps. I mean, you can't blame the site for that. It's just the time of year
not
and
really. I suppose if it's
and the heat.
to
Yeah,
a degree.
but it's been very busy on this site. We're really here because of the air show.
So is everyone else, though, really.
Yeah, we've had to pack all the gear up because everything's covered in ants.
Yeah.
Millions and trillions of them. So we've packed up and we're gonna head off home in the morning, aren't we?
Yeah.
But anyway, it's been a good stay. Air show today was fantastic. And last night was brilliant because we hooked up with Helen and Martin and had a lovely evening with them. Martin was good enough to help me polish off my cake of Ghost Ship, and Helen brought over a bottle of Prosecco for the two of you to drink. The two Helens were on the Prosecco. And we stayed up too late and we probably drank too much, but it was very nice.
I never.
Well, I woke up with a headache. So we enjoyed it anyway, it was good. So we'll leave it there for now, we'll catch you in a bit. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, we love them, we answer the lot, and we'll catch you in our next video coming your way very soon. Bye for now.